Welcome back to Learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a heart logo. All we need is a rectangle. Hold Ctrl when you drag it. So we've got a square. Press Ctrl D to copy it, and it should snap to the other ones. We need a 3x3 square. Select it all, click on it again, hold Ctrl when you rotate it, so that we've got this shape. Delete the top one. Now select one of the top four, go to Path Effects, click on the plus sign, we'll use the Corners effect and use the Nodes tool. Just click and drag to the maximum and you've got this curve. And you can now select the other three, add the Corners effect once more, and again drag these corners downwards as far as you can, and we've got this typical heart shape. Now it's all about selecting a color palette that you like. I'll just use the defaults down here, and you can use this slider. Let me pick a blue color palette and then go over it. As I said, just pick something that you like. Once you've got what you want, select it all, press Ctrl G to group it, and here's your heart logo created in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.